This video is for every new YouTuber out there. You guys are not alone. Hello content creators, how are you guys doing? Welcome. Today I'm going to talk about how to effectively upload a YouTube video. This is purely based on my experience. I started my channel probably a month ago. When I started my channel, I was like, okay, what to upload, when to upload, for God's sake, how to upload a video. Then I realized every new YouTuber out there would be going through the same pain and process, right? So why not do a video on that and share my experience with you all? Please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I will always make sure there is quality videos from SNT Vlogs for you guys. Let's go. The most important thing in having an effective video is to have a crisp title. So the maximum characters allowed is 100. So don't go beyond anything like 60 or a 70 character. Have it short and convey what you are trying to tell in the video. The second important thing is to have a good description. There are a lot of videos in the platform with no description whatsoever and they might have like million views. But from my personal experience, that is purely because they have like many subscribers already. But if you're a new YouTuber, it is very important that you put proper description in every video that you upload. YouTube algorithm does look at your description to identify the type of video and how much your impression rate increases based on that. So don't forget to put a proper description whenever you upload a video. Playlist is one of the small things for a YouTube video, but it's very effective. If there are any viewers who are coming to your YouTube channel to look at your videos, instead of scanning through tons of videos, they might look at your YouTube playlist so that they understand what kind of videos you have uploaded in the past, and you might get more subscribers due to that. So it's very important that you add every video that you upload to a playlist. Thumbnails. There are so many videos already in YouTube which talks about how to make awesome thumbnails, how to make effective thumbnails. I'm definitely not going to talk about them. All I'm going to say, as a new YouTuber, please make sure your thumbnail is attractive and clear. Do not upload a thumbnail which is blurry or of poor quality, because you will attract more viewers if your thumbnail is pretty much clear on what they are looking at. By this time, you'll be wondering, why am I not talking about SEO score, search engine optimization? Alright, every YouTube video has a SEO score, okay? So I'm using vidIQ and TubeBuddy as my Chrome extensions. Whenever I upload a YouTube video, they both appear on my Chrome browser. They will guide me in terms of what to add in terms of tags, whether I have added my playlist, whether I have added my subtitles. So all those things you can get it from these two extensions. They are free of cost. You can pay for them, but I would say if you are a new YouTuber, just go with the free version. They will help you out in making sure your SEO score is high. Always keep the SEO score beyond 40. Anything beyond 40 will give you a good chance to get more viewers for your videos. If your viewers are gonna view your video throughout, like from start to end, that means you get an opportunity to make them view more and more videos. For example, at the end of your video, you can have an option to select either a playlist or you can have your viewers view another video that you've uploaded in the past. So this way you get more and more subscribers and you bring more and more viewers to your channel. Cards. They are very similar to the end screen, but they can appear at any second in your video. You always have an option to select at which second exactly you need to put that pop-up on the top, just like how it is coming up right now on the video. You can always do either a playlist or any kind of video, and you can even give a custom text or a message that your viewers have to see. This way, also you're telling your viewers that there are more and more videos in your channel to go look at. Always make sure you select a certain category based on the type of video that you upload. For example, if you are uploading a sports video, please make sure you select sports as a category. If not, YouTube is going to default it, which means any search that's going to happen for sports will not show up a video at all. So you will miss a lot of impressions and a lot of viewers. So please make sure you select a certain category every time you upload a YouTube video. There's no real time window to upload a video is my experience. It all depends on what kind of topic you choose. If your topic is a hot topic or a trending topic, definitely you're going to tend to get more views than normal. So don't worry about the timing. Upload your videos whenever it is ready or whenever you think you should upload. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please support my channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified. Until next time, this is SNT Vlog signing off. See ya.